Test. Okay, we're good. All right, everybody. Trying to make our whistle blow bigger and better than ever. And we have a speaker this year. We're going to try to announce the whistles as they're blown. So thanks, everybody, for coming out tonight for our second annual whistle blow. Last year, we did this and didn't know how much fun it would be, so we couldn't wait to do it again. So I want to thank Larry Evans and Ernie Clay and Jameson Kahn and all the crew that came down to make this happen, all volunteers like a lot of us at Kentucky Steam. We really appreciate Barney letting us hook up to his engine. Not every organization or group can do this, so it makes it a very unique experience. So the goal here is for everybody to have fun and to be safe. I cannot describe how incredibly loud this is about to get, and it will be the entire night. We have earplugs right here. Everyone, please grab earplugs if you plan on listening tonight. Feel free to record and share this online. If you want to go Facebook Live, you can tag Kentucky Steam Heritage. We would greatly appreciate that. So what I'm going to try to do is, as we go through these whistles, we'll blow them all and have a lot of fun. What we like to do is let the owners blow the whistles first, and then we kind of open it up to the public to try. So we'll kind of make sure everybody has a chance. We'll swap the whistles out, so there'll be a little intermission. Everybody can go buy corn or souvenirs, and yeah, we'll have a good time. So yes, donations are definitely always welcome. This steam doesn't provide itself for free. But that being said, what we're going to do is we're in an L&N yard, so we're going to start the night with an L&N passenger engine whistle. So L&N passenger engine sounded different than the freight whistles. We had a freight whistle on the engine last year, but passenger whistles have a little bit sweeter sound. So we'll start the L&N passenger whistle, and then we'll move on to Bo's Southern Railway PS4 whistle. So here we go. Now, I think next up is we've got a Central Georgia 5 chime. Ernie, I think that's your whistle, isn't it? We'll take a volunteer from the audience for the whistle on the end. Is my B&O3 chime. So one of these nice little ladies right here wants to go. About the gong whistle. So these whistles were commonly used as shop whistles. for shift changes or emergencies or lunchtime, whatever else. So our mosquito problem is now taken care of. Let's see, what else we haven't heard yet. Here, Jameson, why don't you hit the Hudson Whistle? So the whistle on the end that's letting off all the steam, it weighs about 85, 90 pounds, and Jameson made me bring it. So it's leaking like a salve. But this came off a Chesapeake and Ohio passenger engine that would have frequently been used between, I guess, basically Charleston, West Virginia, and Cincinnati. Would have been shopped in Russell and Huntington. There you go, Jameson. Haul it home for me. All right, we'll swap the chords here and blow a couple of the different ones, and everybody's welcome to join in. All right, next up is a beautiful whistle, at least in my humble opinion, is a Baltimore and Ohio 6-chime passenger whistle. All right, next up we have Jameson Kahn's unknown 5-chime whistle. Jameson's about to find out what it sounds like for the first time. Ladies, your facials are provided by the Ravenna Spa and Day Salon. Again, donations welcome. Next up, we have a very unique whistle. We've got several of these tonight to blow. This is Bo Brown's 6-chime boiler tube pilot whistle. So a lot of these shops with homemade whistles out of old boiler tube when they rebuilt steam locomotives. So this is off the Southern Railway, and at one point we think Bo spent some time on a steam derrick. So we're going to find out what it sounds like and let her eat. Got the Hooter hooked up? Looks like the N&W Hooter's hooked up, isn't it? Okay. Next up is the Norfolk and Western infamous freight whistle, also known as a Hooter Whistle. These are pretty famous in railroad world, just simply because 1218 carried one of these in excursion service in the 90s. But this was the sound of the Norfolk and Western, between Norfolk and, I guess severe eastern Kentucky, just for a tunnel, right, Larry? On the other side of the Tug Fork, on the Virginian side. But this is a sound that is just pretty much a trademark with one railroad. All right, let's get some of the kids involved. So, kids, if you want to blow, let's get Jerry up. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no, hey, where you going?
Come on up. Get some folks to help you all. Just pick one and Jameson, go over here and help these children. What's that? You want to blow the B&O? All right, here we go. That's a C&O 6 chime. That's a beauty right there. All right, anybody else? Come on up. Don't be shy.
Too loud.